Hey, we're the Scott sisters. I'm Kelly.
And I'm Michelle.
And welcome to or back to our channel.
And if this is the first time you have watched one of our videos, then you should subscribe.
Yeah, you should subscribe and follow all our other social media, and it's listed down below, like always.
Yes.
And originally we were not going to do another video before our road trip. We just posted a shoe video.
Yeah, like just a few minutes ago.
It's Friday right now. Next weekend is April 15th. We're going on a road trip and we're going to be gone for like a week. We're going to be vlogging some of it. And we originally were not going to post another video before then.
But this is just kind of like a special video we wanted to do unboxing.
We just decided to do this. I don't look the best for video. I usually would look a little better than this, but I wasn't really planning on filming today. So it's kind of like this is the best I could do at the time I had to film this video. We're going to do an unboxing of
My Life as Ava's makeup collection with ColourPop.
Exactly. And this package just came in the mail. We ordered it like 2 weeks ago, right after it came out, and it just came in the mail.
Yeah.
And I have to say that we talked about Ava before. We both really love her.
One of our favorite YouTubers.
Eva Gutowski.
Ever. One of my favorite people ever.
Yeah, it's one of my favorite people. Not just YouTubers, but like just people in general. And so I never got anything from her It's All Wild clothing collection just because it wasn't really the kind of clothes I wear, and it was really, really expensive.
But this makeup line was really cute, pretty, and like affordable. So we wanted to order something. We got one of the collections, like which one? You remember
The Vacation Mode collection.
Yeah, the Vacation Mode collection.
Like they
which had everything.
They sell the things separately. We bought the full set. It was like $30, I think. The Vacation Mode set. And we wanted to order she had two. It's All Wild and Vacation Mode. We were gonna order the It's All Wild, but it was already sold out.
Yeah.
This stuff is getting sold out really fast.
The one we wanted had like warmer tone eyeshadows. This one has like cooler tones and like purples, which is fine. We just originally wanted the first one, but that was sold out. So yeah.
So here's the package. It says ColourPop at the very top of the package. It's just in this
white bag package thing.
Small little white thingy. So we're gonna get to opening it now. And we've ordered stuff from ColourPop before. I like ColourPop.
Yeah, we have.
Stuff. I'm having a hard time getting this open.
Probably gonna need to use some scissors here.
Yeah.
Just cut this.
I've seen like the collection came in like a sleek black box, but I don't think it actually does. I think that's just like the YouTubers who got sent the package for free. Because I don't think that's in here.
So
if I'm coughing, it's because I just had a cold.
That's what's in here.
So let's see. First,
this is the palette. It's like the eyeshadow palette.
They're in this little bubble wrap thing.
And I think this is the highlighter.
So let's see what this is. Take this one.
So this, such cute packaging.
I know, I love it. And I really love like packaging. It's weird, but it's a thing.
Yeah. So this says EVA GUTOWSKI Mermaid Glow, and it's pink and black and white polka dot. It's super sleek, but kind of like travel-y and colorful.
This one says EVA GUTOWSKI Vacation Mode Shadow Palette. It has like the beach on there. If you know anything about her, you know she loves to travel, which is one of the many reasons why I really like her, love her a lot, is because she loves to travel. I love to travel. And here's the name of the different eyeshadows, if you can read that. Yeah, and I like the black and white polka dots because it's like a kind of vintage look, and I really love all things like vintagey right now.
Yeah.
It's like travel and vintage at the same time, which is like a favorite.
This is what this looks like. It's pink.
Is that out of the box?
Yeah.
It was the Mermaid Glow highlighter.
And then it has a blusher and a highlighter, like a gold highlighter, and then this kind of corally dark blusher.
I'm
Super
excited
pretty.
for that because I really love highlighters. We use the Becca highlighters a lot.
Yeah.
And I hope that this is a nice highlighter because I always need more highlighter.
So yeah, that looks really nice. So
Let me
let's
take
open the eyeshadow palette now.
So this is I just showed you that. So here it is. I love that it all has her name on it.
Yeah, everything has her name on it.
It's in this little sleek black case. So let's open this, and I hope I can actually get this open because I might not be able to. Where does it open?
At the middle.
Hold it up, I don't think they can see it.
So yeah, like I said, this has more cool tone eyeshadows. It has 2 purples and then kind of like a lighter highlighting shade.
Yeah, I really wanted the warmer tone one, but I just didn't have that.
So this one's just as good.
This one's just as good, but it has a couple of purples, which is always good. These lavenders are pretty. So yeah, it's popping.
It is all popping.
So what's next is showing you. So let's see what papers are in here. That's just a thing. This is just a little
card from ColourPop.
Just a little card that ColourPop sent in here.
So next is this. These are the lipsticks.
Oh, what is this right here? They sent us like a free sample of something. It's ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip. This is not Ava's collection. This is just like something from ColourPop. And they just sent this to us. I think it's like a free sample. So there's this.
Yeah, and this is the lip thing, and it has all 3 of the like lip glosses, lipsticks in there.
I'm excited because I always need more lip colors to wear. I like that it has a plane on here. It says she's a beach babe lip bundle. And it has the ultra glossy lip and an ultra blotted lip. Like the 2 different looks.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's called Lip Bundle. Here's the name of the shades if you can read that. So let's look at the colors. They are so sleek and shiny. Here, take one.
So this one, yeah, here they all are. They're kind of similar shades.
Right.
This one is the darkest, I guess. This one is called Party Wave. And it's kind of like a burnt orange kind of
I like this
color.
one. This one's like a tan bronze type of color. This one's good for summer and spring. I really like this one. It's called Just Surf. And she loves to surf. So yeah, this is just like a bronzy, beach-y shade. And I really like this one a lot. I think this is pretty. You can see it's like kind of sparkly. I like it.
So the last one is this one. This is called Love Bite. And this is just a mauve color. So like this would be a good just like everyday color. Just a pinkish nude mauve color.
Talk a little louder. I don't think we can hear you.
It's a pinkish nude mauve color lipstick.
So yeah, you get 3 lipsticks.
They're all pretty.
The eyeshadow palette.
And the highlighter and blusher palette.
Yep, in the vacation mode collection. If you're thinking about buying this, I think it's really pretty and cute. And of course, we bought it because it was hers. And of course,
and
I always need new makeup.
This is the sample I gave us. It's this really pretty like red coral color.
So yeah, it's really pretty, and I'm super happy that we bought it and that we got it before it sold out.
So yeah, I would recommend to get this, but it might already all be sold out.
Exactly, I'm not sure because the other set is. I don't know if they're gonna restock them or not. But yeah, if you can, you should get this before it goes off sale. So yeah, I like it a lot. It's a lot more affordable than ordering something from our clothing line.
Yes, it is. It's pretty good for this amount of makeup.
Exactly. So yeah, we're super excited for this makeup, and that was our review and unboxing of EVA GUTOWSKI's COLORPOP collection. So we hope you enjoyed this video.
And thanks for watching.
Bye.